Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the classification of the urban settlement. Classification of the urban settlements. In like here, city, metropolitan city, and conurbation, and the megalopolis. Clear. Now here the another here the classification of the urban settlement, and this classification is we study about the, according to knowledge. Here the different countries have the different countries have the different characteristics to decide here the urban cities, urban settlement or cities. Like here, first here the population size, occupational structure, administration, necessity, conditions. Here the classification is based on population size, occupational structure, administration, etc. First of all, here the population size. Population size. Some countries have the different type. Some countries have different the number of population to decide the cities. Like here, we study about the population size. Population size. Like here in Denmark, Sweden, Finland, approx 250 people in this here considered as a village, as a urban settlement, and in Venezuela and Canada considered here the 1000. Then here the urban settlement. Portugal, Argentina here 2000 population, and USA, Thailand here the 2500 population, and Japan here the 3000 population, and in India here approx 5000 population considered as a city. Only here the not here condition of the number of population. Another condition also the population density and the occupation structure also include into decide the city or urban settlement in a country. The population size is considered to defining urban area. According to this point here the population size is considered. The population size is considered to deciding the city in these countries. The different countries like here the Denmark, Sweden, and Finland, the European countries here they decide 250 population. Then here the city. Then Canada, Venezuela here they decide Canada, North American city, and the North American country, and the Venezuela is the South American country. Here the 1000 considered here, and the Portugal is European country, and the Argentina is South American country. Here decide on consider here the 2000 population. In USA, the North American country, the Thailand, the Asian country here 2500. In Japan, this Asian country here the 3000 considered it, and in India here they consider 5000, more than 5000 population considered as a city. Apart that here also considered the population density and the occupational structure. Clear. Second here the occupational structure. This point is also used in the decide to the urban settlement. Like here the in Italy, the different country has a different data to decide the urban. Like here the Italy is considered. In Italy considered here the urban settlements. Then here the more than 50% population engaged in the non-agricultural work. The Italy is decide the population. In Italy here the decide the urban settlement where the population is the population is engaged in the non-agriculture activities. Approx here the more than 50%. In India, here approx here the 75% population engaged in the non-agricultural work, that is considered as a city. So different countries have the different ratio to decide here. Different ratio of the occupational activities to decide urban settlements. Okay, administration also like here the in India municipality cantonment board notified town area committee where established, then this considered as a city. In Brazil also, and in Brazil also considered as the administration center, that is the urban that is urban settlement, that is city. So we study about the administration is also considered as a city where the administration center like here in India municipality cantonment board notified town area committee where considered as a city. Clear. Next year necessity condition on the basis of the work done. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं कि उस सिटी में क्या वर्क किए जा रहे हैं. लाइक है द टूरिज्म, दैट इज आल्सो नोन एज द tourism city, a tourism town. Industrial, then here the increase industry, then here the industrial town and industrial city. Defense town also, and the seaport city also. All these are the basis on the work done these. So here the necessary condition also used to decide the city या urban settlement. So all these are the, yeah, all these are here. Like here the population size, occupational structure, administration, and the necessary condition. Necessary condition are decide here the urban settlement. Yeah, help to decide the urban settlements, help to decide the urban settlement or cities. Now here the problems of urban settlement. Now problems of urban settlement. In urban settlement or city, here the found the many types of problem, many problems found in the cities. Like here very high population density and the urbanization. In the cities, here the major problem is very high population density. In a small area, the high population resides here, approx 10,000 per square kilometer, 10,000 per square kilometer, more than 10,000 per square kilometer population density found here. Then here the complete of the necessity of the population is difficulty. Like here नाउ द डेवलप द फ्लैट कल्चर. फ्लैट कल्चर से मीन क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है, पहले क्या हो रहा था, सब अपने अपने मकान अलग अलग जगह बनाकर बिल्डिंग बनाकर रह रहे थे, बट अब क्या हो रहा है, एक ही बिल्डिंग में बहुत से फ्लोर बन रहे हैं. ये फ्लैट कल्चर क्यों हो रहा है? द फ्लैट कल्चर बिकॉज हियर द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी इज हाई इन द अर्बन. हियर द पॉपुलेशन इज आल्सो इन द अर्बन settlement, the population increase day by day. The urbanization, what is urbanization? Then here the urban, yeah, city increase, the city increase and the area of the city also increase and the population of the city also increase, that is the urbanization. So here the more population in the cities, yeah, high population in the cities have the great problem for the urban settlement. Then here the emergence of the slum. Then the population migrate towards the cities and they settle in the cities. Then they have the problem to residence. Then the higher rent, the higher rent, जो higher rent होता है उसे क्या नहीं कर पाते हैं, अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते. They not afford the higher rent. Then they lives on, कहाँ पे रहते हैं, फुटपाथ and nearby the slum regions, and here then increase the slums region, increase the residents in the slums region, and that type of the settlement is known as the slum settlement. So here the emergence of the slums is also a great problem in urban cities. Yeah, urban settlement. Next here the environmental pollution. So here the environmental pollution, then here the population increase, then here the vehicle also increase, and here the water pollution, air pollution, then industry increase, then here the water and air pollution, and the sound pollution also, noise pollution also here in cities. The major problem is environmental pollution in cities. Next here high cost of consumer goods, and here the demands of the objects is high in the cities. Then here high cost of the consumer goods found in the urban regions. Next here the adulteration in evidence. एवरीज से मतलब क्या है इसका, दैट्स मीन इज द खाद्य, जो खाने की चीजें होती है उनमें क्या करना, मिलावट करना, टू द गेट मोर प्रॉफिट. द बिजनेसमैन क्या चाहते हैं, मोर प्रॉफिट, ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट चाहते हैं, इसके लिए क्या करते हैं, द एडल्ट्रेशन इन द एवरीज, यानी कि जो हमारी खाने की चीज़ें होती है उन सब में क्या करते हैं, मिलावट करते हैं, मिक्स करते हैं. दैट व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट, देन हियर द मेनी टाइप ऑफ द डिजीज इंक्रीज. नेक्स्ट ईयर इंक्रीजिंग लेवल ऑफ क्राइम्स in the cities here. Then the people not complete their necessity, then they start the crime in the cities, and the crime is increasing day by day in the cities. Next are the high socio-economic disparities and social cooperation in cities. here the socio cooperation, आपस में एक दूसरे की जो हेल्प की जो पोजीशन होती है वो क्या होता है, सिटीज में बहुत कम होती है. एंड here the socio-economic disparities also found in the cities. One side here the big buildings, here the approx 500 square feet, 1000 square feet open residence, and some people have of residents, and they have to live in the slum regions. Here the difference found in the socio-economic disparities in the cities. ठीक है. And one people here the per capita income is very high, and some people here the per capita income is very low. So here disparities या difference found in the socio and economic activities, socio economic conditions in the urban settlement. Next here the lack of health and medical facilities. Lack of health and medical facilities in cities. Here the provide the super medical facilities. The rich men have to good income, they afford the medical facilities in the private hospital, but here the population not have the high, not complete their economic condition, their income, then they move to government hospitals, and where they vote here in the government hospital. यहाँ पे क्या होती है ना, बहुत भीड़ होती है. ठीक है. या the number of population, the number of patient is high than here the medical facilities. The number of patient is high than medical facilities, so proper medical facility is not provided in the cities due to increasing the population. So all these are the problems faced to in urban settlements. Urban settlements like here the very high population density, emergence of the slum, environmental pollution, high cost of the consumer goods, adulteration in edibles, है ना, और increasing level of crimes, high socio-economic disparities, and lack of health and medical facilities.